Hello everyone, Meryl here, and it is currently like 2 in the morning, and I've successfully recorded two 3DS's at the same time on one computer on Linux using CuteNTR. So, yeah, yesterday I was trying to figure out how to do this, and I ended up doing what a lot of people do, where you have one instance run on a separate computer and run into your capture card because you can't get two on the same computer running. And I talked to my dad about it, and we started doing some digging. And we were watching the traffic, and we found out that the way NTR works is it's programmed to send traffic all on the same port number. So you end up getting two IPs sending information on the same port number, and they clash. And there's a bug within the initial firmware that causes that as well. So he helped me play with it because he knows more about C++ than I do. And there is a way to do this with SnickerStream, but I have never been able to. I've never been able to get it working on Windows in the modern day. I've tried it. I don't think it's compatible with the modern firmware on the new 3DS's because they've been updated so many times, and it seems like the SnickerStream support just fell off the table. But if I show you this, and I do plan to theoretically release this in the future if we can get it working more, but you can see both the S's, live footage. Wait, oh, there we go. Yeah. So you can see those, and then if we go up here, oh, let me close this real quick. You can see that there are two instances running. You can see my mouse move. You can actually see my mouse cursor inside of that one because I forgot to turn off show cursor. But yeah, it's a proof of concept more than anything. It needs a lot of work to actually before it's redistributed as a branch of it. So I guess I can talk about that. So the plan is theoretically, let me add something else to the layout real quick so I can show you guys what this kind of looks like. Where is it at? Window capture. We'll just name it nothing for now, and we'll do CuteNTR itself. So this is the CuteNTR window. And you can see you can put a lot of information in, but there's. So the way that we managed to do this was one of these is sending data to different IPs. So one of these is sending it to one IP that ends in 25, and the other is sending it to one that ends in 26. So you essentially take data from the same port and you output it to two separate places, and one of them is programmed to accept data from one, and the other is programmed to accept data from the other. So the idea is eventually to build that into the GUI. So maybe add something in here that lets you choose what IP you'd like it to be output to. And on Linux, that's not a big deal, because you can literally create separate IPs using commands and stuff. It's actually pretty cool. Not sure about a Windows distribution. I don't know much. Theoretically, it's possible to alter it and make it work because it's C++, and most of the modules within it look like they're compatible with both Windows and Linux. So I think we can play with maybe getting a modified Linux or a modified Windows distribution of this, because this is CuteNTR is only available on Linux because Windows has SnickerStream and KitKat Slim, but as I've said, I've not been able to get this working before. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on. Not sure if I'll be able to upload Shiny Reactions, but this is cool because this means that I can start double hunting or triple hunting or quad hunting or, whatever in the future, which is really cool for shiny hunting purposes, that you can now theoretically have as many as you want running without a patch. I didn't have to do anything on the SD cards, because one of the things that bothered me about the way that SnickerStream did it, and I'd like the person who made SnickerStream is fucking amazing, right? Like, he put a lot of time and effort into that, and I've read through the forums, and he seems like a really genuine dude. But I don't like that they have to essentially patch the files on the SD card. So you have to remove the SD card, patch it, send the settings back, and hope it works properly. So this will make it a lot easier because you don't have to do anything on 3DSs. You just have to know your 3DS's IPs, and you have to send one to one and the other to the other. So yeah, this is kind of this is the progress in modifying CuteNTR, which is a boot NTR software for Linux. So that this is really cool. I'm so happy that my dad helped me get this working because this is amazing. And yeah.